Hey everyone, and welcome to my Bitso crypto app review. Check the description for links if you want to explore the app yourself. Bitso is a popular crypto platform focused on Latin America. In this video, we'll cover its key features, who it's for, and my personal experience using it. Bitso shines with its user-friendly app, making crypto transactions super simple. Buying, selling, or sending crypto is streamlined thanks to the intuitive interface. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various stablecoins, perfect for diversified trading. Bitso Transfer lets you send and receive crypto instantly and for free between Bitso users. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Bitso has you covered. Newcomers get basic market views, while experienced traders have access to advanced charting tools. Direct bank transfers make it easy to convert crypto to your local currency. Security is a priority. Bitso uses two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regular audits to protect your funds. Plus, they offer insurance against security breaches for added peace of mind. Want passive income? Bitso's Earn feature lets you earn rewards on specific crypto holdings, similar to staking or a savings account. One thing to watch out for is transaction fees, which can vary. Be sure to check those before you start trading. Overall, Bitso is a great option for anyone in Latin America looking for a reliable, secure, and versatile crypto app. It caters to all experience levels, providing easy access to the world of digital currencies. If this review was helpful, be sure to check out the links below.